Taylor Swift is not just a global music phenomenon. She's also a savvy real estate investor. Swift has a portfolio that spans key locations worldwide. She has mastered the art of diversifying her investments in high-value properties. She has bought everything from historic mansions in Beverly Hills to chic apartments in New York City. Each of her acquisitions reflects a sharp sense of market trends and a taste for luxury. This video is about the world-class properties in Swift's impressive real estate portfolio. It offers insights into her smart acquisitions. It also covers the luxury of her homes and the big returns from these investments. Understanding the business acumen behind these choices shows us how. It gives us a closer look at how Swift's real estate ventures add much to her wealth and influence. Strategic acquisitions across the globe. Taylor Swift's real estate portfolio is as diverse as her music discography. It features properties in some of the world's most coveted locations. In the United States, her investments span from the East to the West Coast. Each property is selected with precision for its strategic value and potential appreciation. New York City. Swift's presence in NYC is marked by her penthouse in Tribeca. She acquired it for its prime location and sprawling space. This property not only serves as a personal retreat in the city that never sleeps, it also stands as a testament to Swift's eye for real estate in bustling urban centers. Nashville, Tennessee. Swift pays homage to her country music roots. She owns a charming estate in Nashville. This property is not just a nod to her beginnings, but also a strategic investment. Nashville is one of the USA's rapidly growing music and cultural hubs. Beverly Hills, California. In the heart of the entertainment industry, Swift's Beverly Hills mansion is a piece of history. This estate is designated a historic landmark. It showcases her interest in properties that offer both luxury and a storied past. Beyond the USA, Swift's portfolio extends overseas with properties in London. She also has a rumored interest in real estate in Australia. These international acquisitions underscore her global perspective on investment and living. Each of these properties was chosen not just for their luxury and aesthetics, but for their potential to appreciate in value. They reflect Swift's savvy as an investor. She has a strategic approach to real estate. It's like her music career. It's marked by careful decisions and a knack for timing. This makes her portfolio a fascinating study in celebrity investment strategies. Continuing with our exploration of Taylor Swift's real estate portfolio, inside the luxury, features, and amenities of select properties. Taylor Swift's properties are not just investments, they are sanctuaries that offer a glimpse into her luxurious lifestyle and keen eye for unique features. Each home is equipped with amenities that cater to comfort, privacy, and entertainment. They are more than just places to live, they are experiences in themselves. Tribeca Penthouse, New York City. Swift's Tribeca Penthouse is the epitome of urban luxury. It has high ceilings, exposed brick walls, and a rooftop terrace. The terrace offers stunning views of the Manhattan skyline. The interior is a blend of modern chic and vintage elegance. It reflects Swift's personal style. This penthouse is designed for entertaining. It has a spacious layout that includes a home theater, gym, and guest suites. Nashville Estate, Tennessee. Swift's Nashville home is different from her NYC penthouse. It's a testament to Southern charm and elegance. The estate features a classic country-inspired design. It has spacious porches, a large outdoor pool, and beautifully landscaped gardens. Inside, the home is adorned with antiques and memorabilia from Swift's early career. It's like a personal museum of sorts. Beverly Hills Mansion, California. Swift's Beverly Hills property is not only a historic landmark, it's also a masterpiece of luxury living. The mansion has been meticulously restored to maintain its original 1930s elegance. It has modern upgrades that ensure comfort and sophistication. The estate boasts a vast garden an outdoor swimming pool, and a guest house. It offers a secluded oasis in the heart of Beverly Hills. These properties showcase Swift's appreciation for history, luxury, and design. Each offers a unique living experience that mirrors her personal and professional evolution. These homes have aesthetic and historical value. They also have state-of-the-art security systems. They ensure privacy and safety in each of her chosen sanctuaries. Next, I will discuss the business insights and the returns on Swift's real estate investments. I will show how her portfolio is not just about luxury, but about a smart financial strategy. The business behind the properties. Investment insights and returns. Taylor Swift's foray into real estate is more than a display of wealth. It's a strategic component of her broader investment portfolio. The business acumen behind her property acquisitions demonstrates her keen understanding. She sees real estate as a vehicle for wealth preservation and appreciation. Swift's real estate investments have not only diversified her asset base, they have also provided impressive returns. This underscores her savvy as an investor. Strategic investment and appreciation. Swift's properties are in high-demand areas globally. Their locations and unique attributes have led to significant appreciation. For instance, her Tribeca penthouse in New York City was purchased when the neighborhood was becoming popular. This was a hotspot for celebrities and affluent buyers. Her property has appreciated considerably. This shows Swift's strategic foresight. She selected properties that are not just luxurious, but also poised for value growth. Renovation and value addition. Swift has also invested in renovating and restoring several of her properties. This adds value while preserving their historical significance. For example, her Beverly Hills mansion underwent extensive renovations. This restored its original 1930s charm while incorporating modern amenities. This increases the property's value. It also preserves its history and culture, market timing and sales. Swift has demonstrated astuteness in timing her real estate transactions. She buys in emerging or established markets and sells when values peak. She doesn't sell often, but her strategy has positioned her to gain if she chooses to divest from certain properties. In essence, Swift's real estate investments are a testament to her business acumen. They show that her success extends far beyond music into savvy financial management and investment strategy. Finally, let's explore how Taylor Swift's real estate choices reflect on her brand and lifestyle. They provide insights into the personal values and image she projects through these investments. Impact on brand and lifestyle. Taylor Swift's real estate portfolio does more than showcase her wealth. It reflects a meticulously crafted personal brand and lifestyle that resonates with her public image. Each property has unique character and history. They all align with Swift's persona as a sophisticated, thoughtful artist. She values heritage, privacy, and luxury. Personal brand alignment. Swift's choice of properties echoes her multifaceted career and personal evolution. She invests in historic landmarks and modern penthouses. Her investments in historically significant homes underscore her appreciation for stories and narratives. This is a central theme in her songwriting. Meanwhile, her modern urban residences reflect her status as a global pop icon. They also show her connection to the cities that have marked her career milestones. Privacy and lifestyle. The secluded nature of many of Swift's properties is a testament to her prioritization of privacy, a valuable commodity in her highly public life. These homes serve as sanctuaries away from the public eye. Here she can relax, create, and entertain close friends and family. This emphasis on privacy and security is not just a personal preference, but a necessity. It reinforces her choice to maintain a boundary between her public and private worlds. In essence, Taylor Swift's real estate investments are an extension of her brand. They reflect her values, tastes, and the careful balance she maintains between her public persona and private life. Taylor Swift's real estate portfolio offers a fascinating glimpse into the mind of one of the world's most successful artists. Beyond the glamour and luxury of her properties lies a calculated investment strategy. It has not only diversified her wealth, but also significantly contributed to it. Her real estate ventures reflect her personal brand. They showcase a blend of sophistication, privacy, and a deep appreciation for history and storytelling. As Swift continues to expand her portfolio, her choices will undoubtedly remain a topic of interest for fans and investors alike. They illustrate the savvy behind the superstar,